This DropBot tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of installing the Microdrop software, the Windows application for programming and controlling your DropBot. Let's get started. First, you will need to download the Microdrop software. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL provided in your DropBot user manual. This link will take you to the latest version of Microdrop on GitHub. Under the Assets section, locate and click on microdrop.exe to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer and double-click it to begin the installation process. When prompted, choose a folder to extract the software. You can select your Downloads folder or any other location that is convenient for you. After extraction, navigate to the folder where the software was extracted and locate the Microdrop folder. Inside, you will find a file named Microdrop. Double-click it to launch the software. After installing Microdrop, you may need to enable core plugins to unlock essential features. Here is how. Navigate to File, then Manage Plugins. A window displaying all available plugins will now appear. Find the plugins you need and click the Enable button next to each one. We recommend enabling the following core plugins. User Prompt. This adds a text field to your protocol steps, allowing you to display custom messages during protocol execution. Each message will pause the protocol until you acknowledge it, making step-by-step control more interactive. Droplet Planning. This enables predefined droplet routes, allowing droplets to follow specific paths across your device. DropBot. This provides control over your DropBot hardware. Once enabled, the DropBot status monitor will appear in Microdrop, giving you live updates on your device's status. DMF Device UI. This opens an interactive window that allows you to point and click control individual electrode channels. Additionally, if you have a camera connected, it will overlay the electrode grid onto the live device view for precise control. And Step Label. This adds a description field to each protocol step, allowing you to easily identify key steps and organize your workflow more effectively. The same Manage Plugins panel can also be used to enable any custom plugins you have developed. Once your plugins are enabled, restart Microdrop to ensure all changes take effect. By default, Microdrop displays only 3 protocol fields: duration, frequency, and voltage. However, you can enable additional options provided by the plugins you have enabled. To do this, right-click on any protocol step and select Select Fields from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear, showing a list of all available fields from your active plugins. Simply tick the boxes next to the fields you want to activate. Once you have selected all desired fields, click Apply and then OK. These fields will now appear as new columns in your protocol editor, allowing you to fully customize your protocol steps and take advantage of the advanced features offered by your plugins. Here is a bonus tip to make accessing Microdrop even easier. You can create a desktop shortcut for the application. To do this, right-click on Microdrop, select Show More Options, and then click Create Shortcut. Now you can move the shortcut to your desktop or any location you prefer for quick access. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more DropBot tips and tricks.